Lisa Anastas here with Motorcars, and congratulations to all of our new DBX owners. Today I would like to share with you some things you might have missed on handover and some emergency tips for that just-in-case situation. The most important tip that we share with our new Aston Martin owners is to hook up the battery maintainer and maintain the brain of the car if you're not going to be using the car for more than 2 weeks. So in this scenario with the DBX, when you open your rear deck lid, every car that we sell here at Aston Martin has a battery maintainer. So it's very easy, no buttons to push. The battery maintainer will go on and turn itself off as soon as the car is fully charged. It is very easy to hook up your DBX. There is a magnet connection right there. You can hear that click. Other side wall, very simple. And you're gonna do this, like I said, not more than 2 weeks of not driving the vehicle. Now, in the case of a major emergency where the car does go dead and you forgot to hook it up to the battery maintainer, I'm going to teach you how to jump your car just in case. Here at Motorcars, we are full service. However, in the case of emergency where you need to access your battery, we like to teach our clients how to find that. So first things first, you have your key. There is a button on the underside. You push that button and there's your emergency key. Now, if the car is dead, you're going to need to use this underneath the driver's side door handle to open the car. Walk over to the passenger side, sit your fanny down here, reach forward, and you will pop your bonnet, okay, using this little red lever. So walking over to the front of your bonnet, go right above the Aston Martin symbol, take your finger, slide it over to the left, and open up your bonnet. As you open up your bonnet, walk over back to the passenger side, and right above your passenger tire, you're gonna see a nicely labeled positive symbol. And what you're going to do is you're going to use the cross brace as your negative, and that will help you jump the car in a case of emergency. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.